In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 10, exercise 5.3, arithmetic progressions. Observe this question. So that A1, A2 up to AN form an AP. AN is defined as below. Value of AN we are having AN equal to 3 plus 4n, and in the second one AN equal to 9 minus 5n. Clear? AN define as clear. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms we want to find. Observe carefully. We want to find sum of 15 terms of an AP. So that A1, A2 up to AN, A1, A2, AN up to AN form an AP. This one is what? Form an AP. And the term is given as what about the A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. It means value of n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If n equal to 1, that one is what? First term of an AP. If n equal to 2, we can say second term of an AP. If n equal to 3, that one is what? Third term of an AP. And nth term we are having in question number 1 and question number 2. Two questions we are having. So, first I am taking question number first one, 10th first one, in which we are having nth term. We are having one AP, A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AN. AN is what? Given us in the first question. AN equal to 3 plus 4n. This is the value of AN. We want to form an AP. We want what? AP. Once we know the AP, then we will find the 15th term, sum of the 15th term of that AP. So, nth term value we are having. AP is in the form of this one, A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN. It means value of n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to n. So put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Up to where? Once we put value of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, put n equal to 1. Once we put n equal to 1, then A1. What we are getting? A1 equal to 3 plus 4n. Once we put n equal to 1, then A1 is what? A1 value will be what? 3 plus 4n. And 3 plus 4n is what? 7. So first term of an AP is what? A1 value is what? 7. Yes or no? Why we are putting the value of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on? Because it is these things. This one is given in the question. We are having AP in the form of A1, A2, A3 up to AN. So from this one we can say first term, it means value of n equal to 1. A1, A2. So value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like. So once we put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can say n equal to 1, then A1 equal to what? 3 plus 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Now n equal to 2, once we put n equal to 2, then A2 equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 will be 11. Now next one, n equal to 3, once we put n equal to 3, A3 will be what? 3 plus 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 what? 12 plus 3 will be what? 15. Now next one, n equal to 4, A4 will be what? 3 plus 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 3 will be what? 19. And this is going up to nth term, and nth term value is what? 3 plus 4n. This is the nth term value. This is AP. Observe, simple question. Question is saying so that A1, A2 up to AN form an AP. This one is forming what? AP. From this one we can say value of n is what? 1, 2, 3 up to n. And nth term where an is defined, an is what? 3 plus 4n in the first one. So 3 plus 4n we are having an. Put n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to, put the value of n 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, then we are getting 1 AP. N equal to 1, then A1, n equal to 2, A2, n equal to 3, A3, n equal to 4, A4 and so on. And nth term will be what? An is what? 3 plus 4, 1. This is what? An AP. This is AP or not? Once we observe second term minus first term, third term minus this one, and fourth term minus third term, then we are getting same number, same common difference we are getting. So we can say it is an AP, and this one is an AP, then its first term is what? 7. Its common difference D equal to second term minus first term, 11 minus 7 will be what? 4. 11 minus 7 will be what? 4. Clear? Now we want the sum of first 15 term. Sum of first 15 term we want. So their n value is what? 15. Clear? So sum of 15 terms we want. So sum of nth term of an AP formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Now n is what? 15. So S15 will be 15 by 2 into 2 into a. A value is what? 7 plus n minus 1. 15 minus 1 into d. D is what? Common difference 4. Clear? Solve this one. 15 by 2 into 7 2 ja 14 plus 15 minus 1 14. 14 into 4. So what we are getting? 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 4 ja 50. 14 4 ja will be what? 56. Clear? Now this can be written as what? 15 by 2 into, add both, 4 plus 6 will be 10, 0, 1 is remaining, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Solve from 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, half of 70 will be what? 1 is remaining, 5 times 35 times it is going. Multiply this one, multiply 15 and 35. 15 5 ja 75. 15 5 ja is what? 75. 7 is remaining. 15 3 ja 45. 45 plus 7 52. 525 will be the sum of first 15 terms of this AP. Simple question. Sum of first 15 term of this AP will be what? 525. So observe again, in the question we are having one AP. AP is in the form of A1, A2, A3 up to AN, and AN is what? Given us. So from this one we can say value of n is 1, 2, 3 up to n. Clear? So we will put the value of n in this nth term, and then we are getting first term. Nth term is value of n equal to 1. Why? Because we are having in the question n equal to 1. 1 means A1, 2 means A2, n equal to 2 means A2. And once we put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, then we are getting AP. And this is an AP, so first term 7, common difference, second minus first one, this one. We require sum of the first 15 terms, as 15 we want, and value will be what? 15. So sum of nth term of an AP formula we will use and put the values and solve, then we are getting sum of first 15 terms of this AP will be what? 525. This is the required answer. Now same process we will follow in the second one. In the second one we are having nth value. An is what? 9 minus 5n. Nth value an is what? 9 minus 5n. Same n value we will put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Clear? So once we put n equal to 1, then a1 we are getting. a1 will be what? 1 we are putting 9 minus 5 into 1. 9 minus 5 will be what? 4. What we are getting? 4. Next term 2. Once we put n equal to 2, then a2 value we will obtain. a2 will be 9 minus 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 9 minus 10 will be what? Minus 1. Next value. Next one 3. Once we put 3, a3 will be what? 9 minus 5 into 3. 9 minus 5 3s are 15. 9 minus 15 means what value we are getting? Minus 6. Next n equal to 4. a4 will be what? 9 minus 5 4s are 20. 9 minus 20 it means minus 11 we are getting. And this is going up to nth term, and value of nth term is what? 9 minus 5n. Clear? This is going like. So this is AP, because once we do this minus this one, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. This minus this one, minus 6, plus 1, minus 5. This minus this one, minus 11, plus 6. Answer will be what? Minus 5. Same common difference we are getting, so it is an AP. So once we obtain this one is an AP, so its first term a equal to 4, common difference d equal to second term minus first term, and this one will be what? Minus 5 will be the what? Common difference. We require sum of the first 15 term, as 15 we want to find, and in which value of n is what? Given as 15. Clear? So we know well, formula of the sum of nth term of AP is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Now put the values of n, a and d and solve. So as 15 will be what? 15 by 2 into 2 into a is what? 4 plus n is what? 15 minus 1 into d is what? Minus 5. Solve this one. 15 by 2 into 4 2s are 8. This will be what? Minus plus will be what? Minus. 15 minus 1 will be what? 14 into 5. 14 into 5. So what we are getting? 15 by 2 into minus 8 minus this one step I am writing also. 8 minus 14 5 ja. 14 5 ja will be what? 70. Solve this one. This can be written as 15 by 2 into minus 62. Solve this one. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. Plus into minus will be what? Minus. Multiply 15 into 15 and 31. 15 1 ja 15. 1 is remaining. 15 3 ja 45. 45 plus 1 46. Minus 465 will be the sum of first 15 term of this AP. Clear? This is the required answer. Observe again, both questions are having same process. We are having one AP. We want to form an AP. And how we will form AP? We are having nth term, an value. So from this one we can say value of n will be 1 2 3 4 and so on. We will put the value of 1 2 3 and so on in this nth term, then we are getting AP, and from this AP we can easily to find the first 15 terms of an AP. Clear? So we are first getting what? AP. Then we are using sum of nth term of an AP formula, putting the values and solving, then we are getting this one. So both question are having same process. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.